Hello guys! Today mag-unbox tayo another Oracle deck. Kasi super late ko na to in order. And ngayon ko lang siya na-unbox actually. Deck haul ito, may kasama tong bali 5 deck sila. So unahin ko na to kasi matagal ko na tong kinikrave. January 2025 ko to in order. Imagine niyo ano na ngayon. I'm filming this August of 2025. So, sobrang kabisihan ko, hindi ko na siya na-unbox. So, i-unbox natin, The Lantern Oracle. This deck is by Angelina Mirabito, PhD, illustrated by Yuli Alejo. And, ang nakasulat dito at the bottom is, Illuminate the shadows, empower your path. So, this is for shadow work healing. Kaya ako ito binili. So, yan siya, nakabalot pa siya. So, tanggalin na natin. Sensyahan nyo na yung kuko ko guys, hindi ako naglinis. Tinanggal ko lang yung mga false nails ko kasi napagod na ako sa long nails. Gusto ko munang magpahinga yung aking kuko. Favorite part ko magpunit ng balot. Sarap 'di ba mampunit? Mga regalo, sarap punitin. So ayan. Lantern Oracle. Matte yung box niya. As you can see guys, may konting reflection dahil malakas yung lighting ko rito. Malaki siya. And publisher nito is si Blue Angel. Yan yung sides. Dito merong serial chorba. Ayan, blueangelonline.com. Sa back, meron tayong mga thumbnails dito which is glossy. Ito yung mga cards, showcase dito. And basahin ko lang yung description dito sa likod ng box. Embark on a beautiful soul-nurturing journey with the ever-present and loving light of the eternal feminine wisdom as your guide. Ask a question and connect with the maiden's mother's guardians, crones of this profound and powerful deck for clarity, growth, assistance, and healing. Specific kaya ako ito binili. Pang-healing ko to eh. So use this deck to draw lessons, solutions, and insight from the shadows and be empowered to walk in truth and shine your light in the world. 44 cards feature key phrases for immediate answers, and the guidebook offers further meaning so you can integrate a deeper understanding of the messages. With guidance for every stage and phase of life, the Lantern Oracle is a go-to deck for tapping into the supportive, caring, honest, and timeless divine sisterhood. 44 cards in total. Meron siyang guidebook na merong 144 pages. So, meron yung thumbhole cutouts dito, kabilaan para ayan, sturdy ito. Ganito yung mga boxes na gusto ko. By the way, itong nakasulat dito is embossed siya. Ayan, may glossy siya. Nakaano siya, nakaangat, nakaumbok. Ayan, may papapel palagi kay Blue Angel. Ganyan siya. Paborito ko rin publisher ito eh. Wait lang. Ito yung guidebook. Mamaya na natin usyusoin. No? So, ang hindi ko lang type when it comes to their packaging is, alam mo yun, karag-karag yung decks nila. Wala man lang parang kalso or whatever. No? Na pwede kasing makupito eh. So, nitpicking ko na lang yon. Okay, ito yung deck niya, yung guidebook niya malaki. Matte din yung texture niya. Ayan. So, scheme lang natin. Published 20. This is printing 2021 but copyright is 2020. Okay. Hindi siya colored guys. Yellowish yung papel niya. Hindi rin siya glossy. Meron ditong introduction. Let me read some of the introduction for you guys. The Lantern Oracle illuminates the 4 directions of eternal feminine wisdom from her 4 phases of consciousness. Okay, wow. So, yung 4 phases of consciousness was broken down into maiden, water element, mother, earth element, guardian, air element, and crone, fire element. So, I am an air sign. I'm a guardian. Oh, inassume, no? So, each sphere of feminine energy speaks to a stage in our human development and spiritual evolution. The Lantern Oracle invites you to call upon her throughout your journey in shadow work for loving light, where clarity, growth, assistance, and healing is needed. May it bring you insight, warmth, and blessings. So this deck illuminates the lessons of and the gifts to be received from the shadows of change, challenge, and confusion. Just as advice of daughters, sisters, friends, mothers, aunties, teachers, grandmothers, and wise women in our community can help us understand ourselves, so too can the 4 archetypes of feminine consciousness. So ano to? Feminine deck. Okay? So this is an ever-present and loving yet candidly unapologetic light in the dark. Together, the young ladies and women of the Lantern Oracle nurture clarity, self-empowerment, and healing. They provide access to the eternal feminine energy, living love and wisdom as medicine to work with, personalize, and integrate. So, in-explain dito, yan yung maiden, mother, guardian, and crone, yung 4 na elements. Yun yung 4 guiding phases. Si maiden ay water, fluidity. Si mother ay earth, fertility. Si guardian ay air, insight. Oh, parang ganun. Parang yung mga elements lang din talaga. Crone is fire, alchemy. Para lang mayroon tayong idea. Ano ba tong mga to? Yung maiden is during childhood and adolescence, openness, vitality, and vulnerability. So, hindi ko pa masyadong naiintindihan yan. And ang phase, ito yung phase natin, di ba? Sisimula tayo as bata, and then adolescent, and then next is earth fertility, yung adulthood. Tapos next phase naman ng ating buhay ay guardian, air, insight, midlife. O, yung mga age ko na ngayon yan. Tapos ang last is elder, which is crone, fire, alchemy. Wow! Hindi ako nagkamali sa pagbili ko nito, guys. How to cleanse the cards, how to use the cards. Meron ding mga spreads dito, but I seldom use spreads. Magawa akong sarili kong spread. Andito na tayo sa card meanings. So, there is the thumbnail, which is hindi colored. Merong number ang bawat card. Title ng card, tapos may keywords. Be who you are, as you are. Tapos, andito yung some kind of explanation or meaning, and then merong maiden's message. Okay? And so on and so forth, pati dun sa ibang cards, hanggang dulo. Okay, and sa back, we have about the author and the artist. Si Angelina Mirabito and Yuli Alejo. Okay? Tabi natin to. So, let's proceed with yung ating, meron siyang bind na plastic, as always. Yung ibang decks wala, nakabalot in plastic like Llewellyn. Excuse me. Ako ay nadidighay. So, ayan, si Lantern Oracle. Kasi ito yung guide. Okay. Matte ito, and this is malaki. Malaking size. Hindi siya yung typical Oracle deck, guys. Kuha ko ng size ng typical Oracle deck para may idea kayo kung bago kayo sa ganito. Ito, kukunin ko is from Hay House kasi ito yung mga typical size ng Oracle cards. Ganito lang yung usual size ng Oracle card. Yan, i-compare nyo dito. O, diba, ang laki niya. Ayun siya eh, yung red eh. So, mas malaki siya compared sa typical size ng Oracle card. Ayan, matte. Matte siya, maganda texture niya. Although hindi siya velvety. Oops, may damage agad. Naku, particular ako dyan. So, hindi siya gilded. Ayan, walang edging, walang kulay, plain. Smooth naman, hindi matalas, rounded yung corners niya. Okay? So, flip through na tayo. Card number 1. Ayan. May borders siya by the way. Makikita nyo naman may borders. Tapos, merong number ang bawat card and then merong name of the card and then yung mga affirmations or keywords dito sa ilalim ng title ng card. Ay, di ko napakita yung design. Yan siya, mandala. Mandala. Hindi ko alam. O, yan. Card number 1, Spirit Self. Card number 2, Radical Curiosity. Seeing as if for the first time, every time. Wisdom in play. Our intuition knows more than we do. Ito yung nasa cover. Si card number 4. Strength of vulnerability. True power lies at the root of a perceived weakness. Ganda ng mga messages dito. 5. The unknown. Knowing the unknown. Parang moon card. Yung depiction niya, di ba? Trusting tricksters. The trickster's only power is your trust. You are always free to withdraw it. Distorted perceptions. Reality is rarely what we are raised to believe it is. Oops, I hope hindi bawal. Takpan ko na lang. Weeping wound. You are not your wounds. Responding, not reacting. The only control we have is how we respond to the hand we are dealt. Assistance with access. It's necessary to ask for and accept help in order to receive it. Metamorphosis. Power and strength lie within our surrender to change. Creative power. Parang Empress. Release your alchemical energy into the false beliefs. Wishful expectations. Wishful expectations. Number 15, distorted desire. Conscious desire rarely satisfies the unconscious need driving it. Melting mask. Misalignment. Di ko alam kung pwede itong mga ganito. Radical honesty. Accountability. Enough. Key to intimacy. Women supporting women. Kung gusto nyo guys, titigan na mabuti at basahin. Nakakapagod kasi. Post nyo na lang yung video. Kung gusto nyo gawin yun. Kasi medyo mahaba na rin yung video natin. Broken dreams. Emptied. Emotional energy. Forgiveness. Renewal. Moving forward. Radical self-acceptance. Voice. Intention. Eternal Gatekeeper. Sharing. Circles. Ganda nito. Parang Four of Wands energy na may halong sun. Presence of absence. Parang si Four of Cups energy to me. Confusion. Transitions. Repair. Cute nila. Perspective. Feeling ko parang hermit ito. Inner integration. Radical self-love. Home. Inner life. And lantern. Okay. So, yun yung ating flip through. Pero huhugot ako ng isang card for the collective. Anong pinaka-message para sa atin ng Lantern Oracle sa ngayon? Mahirap ito shuffle guys for sure. Kasi yan, malalaki. Pitit lang naman yung kamay ko eh. Pero pwede ko naman siyang i-shuffle pa ganito. Okay, or pwede mo naman siyang i-ganito. Okay. So, anong message para sa ating lahat ni Lantern Oracle? The unknown, knowing the unknown. Okay, let's read from the guidebook. Curious ako, bakit lumitaw to? Titigan nyo mabuti yan. Parang moon card nga to eh. Number 5. Sabi dito, number 5, card 5, the unknown, knowing the unknown. It is natural and human to feel reluctant and fearful at the beginning of a significant change. So may change na nangyayari or paparating. Change confronts us with so many unknowns and such overwhelming feelings that challenge us whenever an unfamiliar direction is taken. However, to never try something new or cease to continue when things change is to go against life's natural rhythm of continued growth and transformation. What is known can quickly become comfortably familiar as well as stifling to our gradual yet ongoing progression. The price we pay to stay in what is known is stagnation and fear. Tama yun. Trust that you have the sufficient skills and knowledge to navigate your way through an unknown aspect of your life. It may be that you have avoided or put off changing your career, changing locations, committing to a new project, starting a family, or ending a relationship for some time now. If so, this card has shown up to remind you that if you do nothing different, nothing changes. Wow, very powerful. You're so much more than the accumulation of your fears. You are capable of moving forward despite any uncertainty that you might feel. You have everything it takes to choose the unknown and embrace change by focusing on what your next step requires. Any and every journey is the result of taking one step into the unknown at a time. Wow, yung at a time na yun, may person ako naalala nun. May nagsasabi sa akin nun eh. Maiden's message. Once you choose to keep moving, the next step will be made known to you. Very powerful message, guys. Maraming salamat for dropping by. At sana na-feel ninyo yung message ng deck. And kung nagustuhan nyo, please don't forget to subscribe, like, follow. Pa-comment na rin dyan, pa-share tong ating video. Love you all. See you on the next one.